So class, again, I am Jumhati Nirvan going to start a new topic of English grammar, which is notice writing. Okay, it is a very important topic of grammar, notice writing. So we'll read about today notice writing. In notice writing, first we will get to know what is notice. Okay. Second, some key points while writing a notice. Then format of notice. In this we will get to know how to write a notice. Then example. I'll explain you an example to make it clear. Okay class? So very first point is what is notice? It is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. Means it is a written or printed piece of information. As you all know, you all get notice in your school, right? आप स्कूल में आपको नोटिस मिलता है, तब क्या मिलता है उसके अंदर? इन्फॉर्मेशन, राइट? किसी इवेंट के लिए है, किसी इनॉग्रेशन के लिए, फंक्शन के लिए या जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस के लिए. ओके, सो दैट इज notice is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. और किसे दिया जाता है? ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को दिया जाता है. एक नोटिस वो सब जगह दे दिया जाता है. ओके, इट यूजुअली कवर्स एन इवेंट, an inauguration, a function, or an general instructions. Okay, in easy language we can say that notice is a formal mean of communication. Okay, written communication, right everyone? And notice put on the display board, whether in school or in public places. या तो हम इनको स्कूल में लगाया जाता है नोटिस बोर्ड पर, या हमारी डायरी में, या फिर पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे भी लगाने के काम आते हैं. ओके, दैट इज नोटिस राइटिंग. Next is key points while writing notice. Now there are some key points that must be kept in your mind while writing a notice. So very first key point is the ideal length of notice is 50 words. So only relevant points needs to be addressed. It means that the word limit should be 50 words, not more than 50 words. Okay class? So we can convey the relevant matter in an easy or formal way to the reader. इससे हम क्या होगा, relevant जो matter है 50 words का ही होगा, तो हम जो main बात हम जो reader को बताना चाह रहे हैं, जिसे send करना चाह रहे हैं, easily हम easy way में बता सकते हैं. Okay, so main topic, main key point is it should be in 50 words only. Second is present the notice in proper format. Now everyone knows that format should be proper. Further we will है ना. ओके, अब मैं आपको इसके आगे बताऊंगी कि नोटिस फॉर्मेट क्या होता है, बट इट शुड बी प्रॉपर. हमें नोटिस का फॉर्मेट जो होना चाहिए वो प्रॉपर वे में होना चाहिए. अगर आप गलत लिख देंगे तो वो अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा और वो नोटिस भी नहीं कहलाएगा. ओके, ट्राई टू राइट नोटिस इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच और पैसिव वॉइस ओनली. नाउ क्लास, द नोटिस राइटिंग में जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं वो कैसे होने चाहिए? इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच और पैसिव वॉइस. ओके, so we can say that notice should be written in direct or passive voice. And last point is don't use personal pronouns like I and we. बेटा मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, sometimes what happened, some students started the notice with I or we. For example, I am going to inform you, we are going to inform you, but this is not the correct way. We can't use I and we, okay, in notice. Okay class, don't use personal pronoun like I and we. This is not the way to write notice. We can't use I and we in the notice. So I hope all the key points are clear to you. You must be kept all points of notice while writing it. Okay, next, body of notice. Now what we will read? Body of, sorry, after it we will read format of notice. Okay class, what is format? Now see here, name of organization, notice, ये सारे format में parts आते हैं. So it is divided into many parts. First what we see, you can see the rectangular box. Okay, so first we will make a rectangular box for starting the notice. In this box, in the top middle portion, the name of organization which is issuing in the notice must be written. Means कभी-कभी आपको organization का name दे दिया जाता है, like our school name is Lyall Public School, so the organization name is Lyall Public School. और कभी नहीं दिया होता तो आप अपनी तरफ से भी लिख सकते. Okay, then right below it the word notice used to be written, and it should be in capital letter. Okay, the word notice itself used to be written N-O-T-I-C-E, notice. Okay, then in the left side write the date and with the notice issue. Now we have to write in date when we get the notice. Okay, when we are going to write the notice, on that date we should mention over here. Then below it in the middle write the title of notice in capital letters. Okay class, what is the title? जो main topic हमें मिलता है, that is title. Okay, make sure all these three details should be written in capital letters: name of organization, notice, and the title or headline. Okay, it should be written on in capital letter. Now it's come to body. Okay, after completing the now body. In body I'll explain you with the more detail. Let's see. In body of notice what we'll do. Okay, first there are some points you can easily get to know it. Okay, now let's understand what should be there in the body of notice. Okay class, you have to remember all these points while writing a notice. So first listen it carefully. First, what means what is the notice about? In body writing what we'll write, what is the notice about? In this the notice should clearly mention what is going to happen or what has already happened. यानी हमें उस टाइम पर पहली लाइन में यही बताना है कि what is going to be happen. Okay, then who, second point is who it is addressed to, यानी हमें अब इस किसको एड्रेस करना है, किसको बताना है ये बात. तो in this who all are supposed to be added to the notice should be clearly mentioned to the notice. Okay class, where now we have to tell where is the event. If the notice is about event, so we have to add the location of such an event must be clearly written. Then when is the event going to happen? It is for the time, date and event of meeting. क्या होता है, ये टाइम होता है, डेट के बारे में होता है, कब कौन सा इवेंट होने वाला है और मीटिंग होने वाली है उसके लिए. ओके, what to do? The instructions are written related to the notice. In this the instructions should be written related to the notice. यानी हमें instructions भी देने होते हैं, right? अभी जब मैं नोटिस पढ़ाऊंगी आपको सारी चीजें वो दिखाई देगी कि what भी हमने यूज किया है, who भी किया है, where भी किया है, when भी किया है, what to do भी किया है, whom. Last point is whom to contact or get in touch with. Now in this final detail should be whom to contact or get in touch with. This mention that who the appropriate authority is to contact, यानी हमें किससे ये बात करनी, किसे ये बताना है. Okay class, that is all about body of notice. So here we can see in the body of notice we have 6 main points which we need to include while writing a notice. Okay, after completing the body of notice we need to write over there our signature. Okay, नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन. डेजिग्नेशन इज काइंड ऑफ जॉब. आपकी डेजिग्नेशन जैसे आप स्टूडेंट हो तो आप स्टूडेंट लिखेंगे, अगर मैं लिखती हूँ तो आई एम अ टीचर सो आई विल राइट ओवर देयर टीचर. इफ यू आर हेड बॉय हेड गर्ल तो यू विल मेंशन हेड बॉय एंड head girl. Okay class, I'm again explaining you the format of notice. First we need to make a rectangular box. Okay, in that rectangular box we will mention name of organization, then notice itself with capital letter, then left hand side date of notice. Okay, then in middle we'll write the title. All these 3 things should be written in capital. What 3 things? Name of organization, notice and title. Okay, then below it we will write body. Okay, after completing body we need to sign, we need to mention our name and designation also. Okay, I hope this format is clear to you all. Now I have an example related to the notice, so let's do it. Question number 1 is, you are Ankit Nanda, the head boy of Lyall Public Schools. Okay, suppose you are Ankit Nanda, the head boy of Lyall Public School. Your school is organizing a visit to the World Book Fair. Okay, now what your school is doing? Your school is organizing a visit to the World Book Fair. Write a notice not exceeding 50 words. Now here's the instruction that we can't write notice about 50 words. Okay, Inviting the students of class 6 to 8. Now you have to invite the student of class 6 to 8 to be a part of the visit. कि वहां जाने के लिए जो वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर है वहां का हम सबको जाना चाहिए क्योंकि स्कूल इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ विजिट. ओके, सो the answer of this you can see over here. What I have done first, I made a rectangular box. Okay, so you need to make a rectangular box. In that box, in very first line we need to write our organization name, which is already mentioned in the question. Organization name is Yale Public School, Bikaner. Okay, then we need to write notice with capital letter, so NOTICE, notice. Here I didn't mention with a date. Why? Because whenever you will write the notice, you mention that date only. Okay, then we will mention over here date. Then what is the title of our notice? World Book Fair. Okay, we need to write it also in capital letters. Now you can see over here the body of notice. In body of notice we will read it. You will be pleased to know that our school is organizing a visit to the World Book Fair on date. Here you have to mention the date. Okay, so class, here we get what is notice about. Okay, जैसा मैंने आपको बॉडी ऑफ नोटिस में बताया था कि नोटिस किसके बारे में है, तो बॉडी ऑफ नोटिस में हमें पता चल गया नोटिस किसके बारे में है. यू विल बी प्लीज टू नो दैट आवर स्कूल इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ विजिट. सो नोटिस इज अबाउट दैट स्कूल इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ विजिट. ओके, वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर ऑन डेट. नाउ वी नीड व्हेन के बारे में भी हमें पता चल गया कि कब होने वाला है, तो यहाँ हम डेट मेंशन करेंगे. Now whom to contact? यार हमें पता चल गया स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बात हो रही है. Interested students in visiting the fair are requested to submit their names to their respective class teachers. और यहाँ लास्ट वाला जो टॉपिक था हमें पता चल गया हमें किससे कांटेक्ट करना है. लास्ट में अगर कोई बात होती है तो हम टीचर से कांटेक्ट करेंगे. ओके, लेटेस्ट बाय डेट, यानी इस डेट तक आप हमें सबमिट करवा दीजिए. ओके, अपने नेम. सो आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. You will be pleased to know that our school is organizing a visit to the World Book Fair on date. Interested students in visiting the fair are requested to submit their names to their respective class teachers latest by date, on this date. Okay, you have to mention over here date. Now what we'll do, we'll sign over here. The name already have given us, so the name is Ankit Nanda. So you need to sign over here Ankit Nanda. Then the name itself will come Ankit Nanda, and he is the head boy of the school. That's all for the notice. Okay, I hope this notice is clear to you all. Do practice of this notice writing. Okay, so class, let's recap it. हम इसको दोबारा कर लेते हैं. थोड़ा सा मैं जल्दी से आपको एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर लेती हूँ. What we get first, we read what is notice, key points of notice, format of notice, and example of notice. I have given you the example. Okay, notice is a written or printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. It usually covers an event, an inauguration, a function, and general instructions. Okay class, now we read key points while writing notice. We need to keep in mind that the ideal length means the length of notice writing should be in 50 words only. Okay, present the notice in proper format. Then try to write notice in direct speech or passive. And most important thing, don't use personal pronoun like I and we while writing a notice. Okay, then we read about format of notice. In format of notice, I have explained you that first we need to make a rectangular box. Then in that box we need to mention the queries like name of organization, notice, date, title, body of notice, signature, name, and designation. In this will come who is writing the notice. Okay, then I show you the example of it. We need to make a notice like this. Okay, this is the example of the notice writing. So class, do practice of the notice writing of your own. Okay class.